Morning children, how are you all? Yes, good morning. Okay, shall we start the class? Okay, get ready to sing along with me. Yes, sir. Little girl, eating something yummy. Little girl, eating something yummy. Yes, some vegetables bought by mommy. Yes, pumpkin, brinjal and beetroot. Pumpkin, brinjal and beetroot. Onion, lemon and mushroom. Onion, lemon and mushroom. Cabbage, carrot and peas. Cabbage, carrot and peas. Tomatoes, potato and beans. They are so good and healthy to eat. Yes, children, have you enjoyed? Shall we sing once more? Yes, come on. Little girl, eating something yummy. Yes, some vegetables bought by mommy. Yes, pumpkin, brinjal and beetroot. Onion, lemon and mushroom. Cabbage, carrot and peas. Tomatoes, potato and beans. They are so good and healthy to eat. Yes. Now, learn this poem. Learn this rhyme. Yes, all of you learn this rhyme. Okay, children? Yes. Now, today we are going to start our class. Now, before starting, we are going to only revise today all the lines. Until now, what lines we have completed, we are going to revise the lines. Okay, children? Yes. Now, who can tell me which line is this? Look, which line is this? Yes. This is standing line. Very good. This is standing line. Good, children. Next. Which line is this? Look here. Which line is this? Which line? Yes, sleeping line. Good, children. Which line? Sleeping line. Very good. Now next. Which line is this? Look here. Which line is this? It is slightly, my hand is slightly tilted. Which side is it tilted? Towards right. So, which slanting line is this? Yes, very good. Right slanting line. Yes, children, good. Right slanting line. Next, one more. Which line is this? This is our left slanting line. Good, children. This is our left slanting line. Okay? Very good. Now, once again, look at the pictures. Repeat after me. Standing line. Standing line. Draw it in the air. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Very good, children. Next. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Come on, draw it in the air. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Very good. Next. This is right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Come on, draw it in the air. Right slanting line. Look at my hand, how it is going. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Okay, children, next. Look here. This is our left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Draw it in the air. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. left slanting line, left slanting line. Okay, very good children. Now we also have learned standing lines. How many type of lines did we learn? We have learned 3 type of lines. Yes, what are those? Standing line, middle standing line, lower standing line. Okay. So standing line, from where is it starting? It is starting from red line ending on blue line. That is, it is starting on first line and ending on third line. Okay. Standing line, first line to third line, standing line, first line to third line, standing line. Okay, good children. Next, which line is this? Middle standing line. So middle standing line, from where it is starting? It is starting on blue line, ending on blue line. Starting on blue line, ending on blue line. That is, starting on second line, ending on third line. Second line to third line, middle standing line. Second line to third line, middle standing line. Second line to third line, middle standing line. Okay, children? Next, third line is, it is lower standing line. From where does it start? It is starting from blue line, ending on red line, children. Blue line to red line, blue line to red line. It is starting on second line, ending on fourth line. Starting on second line, ending on fourth line. Starting on second line, ending on fourth line. Lower standing line. Standing line, middle standing line, lower standing line. Okay? Next. Next line was sleeping line. So sleeping line, from where was it starting? It is going from left to right on the second line. It is lying on the second line, blue line. Okay, children? It is lying on the blue line, second line, and it is going from left to right, left to right, left to right. Sleeping line, left to right, left to right, left to right. Sleeping line, lying on the second line, blue line, children. Okay. Next, third line was our right slanting line. It is slightly tilted towards right. It is slightly bent towards right, children. It is starting from red line, ending on blue line. Starting on first line, ending on third line. Slanting line, right slanting line, right slanting line. Starting on red line, ending on blue line. Right slanting line. It is slightly tilted towards right. Okay. Next, we also have completed fourth line. What is it? It is left slanting line. It is slightly bent towards left, children, backward. Right? It is slightly bent towards left. That is backward. So it is left slanting line. Starting again on red line, ending on blue line. Starting on red line, ending on blue line. But this is starting from left. Right slanting line was starting on right side. This is from left side. Left slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line. Okay. Now, shall we write it on the board? All the lines? Yes. The board? All of you? So, which line is this? I am starting from red line, ending on blue line. So, which line is this? Standing line. Say, children, repeat after me. Standing line. See. Starting on first line, ending on third line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Okay, children? Next. I am starting on blue line, ending on blue line, children. Which line is this? Middle standing line. Yes, good. Starting on blue line, ending